Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
Harry Dixon, killed in action in France, October 8, 1916, aged 20. George James Smith, died in action at Threepville, October 9, 1916. Edward Adrian Clark, died of wounds received at Linley on June 1st, 1900. George William Tinker, killed in Belgium, July 16th, 1915. Arthur John Williamson, killed in action, Anzio, Italy, January 31st, 1944. Alban Offord, killed in the Great War, aged 21. 43268, formerly 13009, George Ostick, died 16th of August 1917. CH17306, Harry Wright Ostick, died 1st of January 1915, aged 23.
Harry Wright Ostick was on board the Royal Navy battleship Formidable when it was hit by a torpedo from U-boat 24, which had evaded the surveillance and fired the fatal torpedo.
(13611) Frederick Ostick, died 16th of September 1916, aged 22. Private Edward Broughton, killed in action in France, October 31st, 1916, aged 23.
Edward Broughton enlisted in Derby in September 1914 and served with D Company 10th Battalion Sherwood Foresters. He first entered a theatre of war in France on the 14th of July, 1915. He was killed in action on the 31st of October, 1916.
Thomas Arthur Bradley, died whilst a prisoner of war in Charleville, October 30th, 1918, aged 25. Arthur Sanderson, died September 28th, 1915, aged 22. Lieutenant Reginald William Clark, killed in France, August 18th, 1917, aged 28.
Reginald Clark went out with the 1st Battalion of the Sherwood Rangers at the start of the war and served with his regiment in Egypt and at Gallipoli and as a sergeant. Upon his return home he was nominated for a commission and was appointed to the 17th Battalion Notts and Derby Sherwood Foresters. He was temporarily attached to a platoon in support and was shot through the heart while going up to observe the front line, and he died instantly.
(2232) Gunner Joseph Victor Piggott, died 25th of October 1919. (6376) Private John William Spencer, died 14th of February 1917.
John William Spencer enlisted at Sheffield on the 26th of September, 1916, and underwent his training at Clipstone Camp, before going to France on January 12, 1917. He was killed in action in France on the 14th of February, 1917, and is buried at Bellecourt Military Cemetery, Rivière, Pas-de-Calais.
Alfred, killed in action in France, 26th of September 1917. (129,313). Gunner Robert Sly, died 22nd of April 1918, aged 19.
Robert Sly joined the army at Doncaster when he was 17 years of age. Following basic training at Newcastle, he went to France before his 18th birthday. He then served in Ireland. Before returning to France, Robert was killed only a few weeks after returning to France and is buried in the La Target British Cemetery, France.
Gunner Richard Godson, died September 18th, 1919, aged 31. (267,466). Sergeant Alfred Brown, died 26th of August 1917, aged 35. (107,779), formerly 2039. Private Stanley Adwick, died 8th of October 1917, aged 27. Lionel A Watson, killed in action at Flanders, died 9th of November 1918, aged 20. Sergeant George Cox, killed in action in France, September 6, 1918, aged 29. 1126297. Clifford Henry Cook, died December 21st, 1944, aged 23. (4979890). Ronald Denman, died February 10th, 1942, aged 25. (4976304). Albert Ernest Bradford, died 24th of April 1943, aged 21. Pilot Officer John M. Wood, died 19th of June 1953, aged 22. 1503182. Bernard Quanborough, died 3rd of October 1943, aged 25. CJX 194170. Trevor, Richmond, died 11th of April 1942, aged 22. P/JK 210241. Geoffrey, Hartmann, Hughes, died 24th of May 1941, aged 20. 8094, formerly 23685. Lance Corporal Herbert Saunders, died 20th of September 1917, aged 22.